Okay, so now the question is Demat of Securities. Demat simplifies securities transaction processes introduced under Indian corporate laws, reduces paperwork and enhances efficiency, eliminates risks of physical certificates governed by SEBI regulations in India, available for shares, bonds, debentures. Digital storage enhances transaction transparency. Central depository services regulate operations. Securities stored electronically in accounts. Replaces physical share certificates entirely. Ensures security and fraud protection. Facilitates easy transfer and settlement. Reduced cost for storage handling, enables faster IPO subscription processes, important for listed company compliance, mandatory for all traded shares, helps in preventing share duplication, introduced in India during 1996, allowed under Depositories Act 1996, revolutionized securities trading and management. Types of dematerialized securities: equity shares held electronically online, preference shares with digital account storage, debentures converted into digital form, bonds issued through dematerialized platforms, warrants processed electronically for trading, mutual fund units in demat accounts, government securities stored digitally, commercial paper traded in demat, treasury bills processed via accounts, enhanced traded funds under electronic management, rights issued through demat channels, bonus issues processed electronically securely, stock options converted into dematerialized form, depository receipts held in demat, convertible bonds managed via digital platforms, derivatives contracts electronically stored securely, initial public offering shares dematerialized, split shares electronically processed efficiently, redeemable preference shares electronically accessible, dividend entitlements credited in demat. Details of dematerialization: account required with depository participant, includes NSDL and CDSL services. Depository participant links account holders. Security holder applies for dematerialization. Physical certificates surrendered to depository. Digital records created post verification process. ISIN issued for securities identification. Securities credited in demat account. Paper certificates are permanently destroyed. Corporate action benefits credited electronically. Reduced fraud with traceable transactions. Instantaneous electronic transfer for ease. Electronic records ensure investor reliability. Facilitates nominee registration for security inheritance. Dematerialization required for SEBI compliance. Beneficial ownership rests with investor. Real-time account updates ensure transparency. KYC mandatory before account initiation. SEBI mandates demat for listed securities. Inter-depository transfer ensures smooth transactions. Examples of dematerialization: TCS shares issued in demat form, Reliance bonds digitally accessible for trading, HDFC Bank writes credited electronically. Infosys bonus shares in Demat account. Government bonds traded in dematerialized accounts. LIC IPO shares electronically stored. NTPC treasury bills managed digitally. SBI preference shares through depositories, mutual fund schemes credited electronically, Zerodha enables digital securities transactions, Amazon ADRs held via depository accounts, ICICI Demat benefits seamless stock transfer, HUL warrants stored digitally secure platforms, Apple debentures in Demat format, bonus shares directly credited electronically, startup shares issued dematerialized form, Tata Steel dividends credited via Demat, DRDO issued bonds in Demat accounts, digital IPOs processing reduces turnover time, automated corporate actions via Demat benefits. Relevant case laws NSDL versus SEBI jurisdiction clarified on depository issues. Harshad Mehta versus SEBI system vulnerability prompted Demat importance. CDSL versus NSDL resolved inter-depository operational disputes. Sri Ram Mills case role of Demat in fraud prevention. Ketan Parekh scam case highlighted Demat role post scam reforms. Rameshwar Lal versus Company, share transmission streamlined via Demat, HDFC Bank versus shareholder, Demat facilitates dividend crediting, Kotak Mahindra versus Depository ensured seamless transfer of securities, Sahara case unlisted entities required electronic compliance, Reliance Communications versus SEBI Demat compliance ensured legal clarity. NSEL scam case highlighted risks reduced with dematerialization. Satyam case versus SEBI Demat ensured fraud detection efficiency. Infosys case beneficial ownership electronically clarified. KYC violation case emphasized account regulatory compliance. Yes Bank restructuring case electronic securities streamlined operations. Franklin Mutual Fund case highlighted Demat mutual fund benefits. SR Steel case restructured operations digitally via Demat. Amrapali shareholder case ensured shareholder rights electronically. PNB housing fraud case transparency maintained using dematerialization. Malia fraud prevention case Demat securities restricted fraudulent activity. Conclusion Demat transformed securities market efficiency, enables faster securities transaction settlements, ensures reduced fraud and mismanagement, mandatory compliance under corporate frameworks, essential for secure shareholder transparency, benefits investors and corporations equally, eases trade through seamless processes, integral for future digital advancements, revolutionizes securities trading globally efficiently, encourages environmentally friendly digital storage, strengthens financial regulatory systems robustly, significant for global investor confidence growth, central depositories ensure reliable accountability, simplifies IPO subscription settlement mechanisms, reduces physical certificate transactions complexities, key for shareholder digital transformation, enhances market liquidity and accessibility, increases investor trust with accountability, encourages corporate to adopt digitization, builds a transparent securities ecosystem globally.